Test, test. 1, 2. I am live. Let's switch over to scene 2. Yes. Okay, I'm going to set up my new camera, Panasonic Lumix FZ2500, to connect live to YouTube. Okay, I haven't done that yet. That's why I'm doing this recording. So I'm going to set it up and test live, and so it's not like a rehearsed kind of video. It's totally raw and live. Okay, first of all, I have my Lumix FZ2500, and then with that I will need to connect it via let's focus. You know what this is called? This is called the micro HDMI adapter. Okay, micro HDMI connector on one side and the regular size HDMI on the other side. Then this will go to the regular HDMI cable. This is about 1.5 meters. Okay, regular size HDMI connectors. And from that, it will go into the Blackmagic Design Mini Recorder, Ultrastudio Mini Recorder. Let me say that again. The Blackmagic Design Ultra Mini. It's so hard to say. Let me say it one more time. The HDMI cable will go into the Blackmagic Design Ultrastudio Mini Recorder. And I've already attached the Thunderbolt cable, which will in turn go into the MacBook Pro. And on the MacBook Pro, it will go into OBS, okay, the streaming software, and from OBS to live YouTube, which you are watching right now. So let's go ahead and do it. I'm recording this for my notes actually. So let's go down, zoom in, so that we can all see what's happening. Okay, all right. Now, I'm doing this carefully because I want this to be a tutorial. Okay, actually I should start with, let me turn this, okay, pan this down, tilt it downwards. If you have attended my lessons, you know what I mean by tilt and pan. Okay, let's clear the mess. Okay, let's begin with the HDMI cable. Let's begin with the HDMI cable. Okay, I have a 1.5 meter HDMI cable here, and I have a micro HDMI adapter. Why? Because the camera only has got a micro HDMI port, not a regular size HDMI port. So let's attach the micro HDMI to the HDMI cable. Okay, now let's bring over the camera. The FZ2500 HDMI port is over here. Let's open it up. Okay, yep. It's got two ports under this flap. Okay, one is quite spring-loaded. One is a USB port, and the other one is a HDMI port. So let's connect this micro HDMI into this port. Okay, big side up. I'm doing it slowly so my viewers can watch it. Okay, let's plug it in, push it. Okay, why don't I turn it on too, right? Let's turn it on. All right, and now on the other end, focus, yep. On the other end, let's connect this to our Blackmagic Design Ultrastudio Mini Recorder. Okay, small side down, big side up. Okay, let's go in. Okay, so what's next is this Thunderbolt cable will have to go into the MacBook Pro. Focus. Okay, what's next is this Thunderbolt cable will need to go into the MacBook Pro. Let's zoom out. Or rather, let's pan. Let's pan. Tilt. As you can see, I've already got another Ultrastudio Mini Recorder here, which is recorded to the very camera you're watching right now. So I'm actually attaching the second Ultra Mini Studio Recorder, and it seems that there's a lot of reflection, so let me remove the reflection such that we can see the name. All right, okay, now zoom in. I've already used up one Thunderbolt cable. Okay. All right. As you can see, I'm not doing a live presentation. I'm doing the actual raw recording. Okay, so the Thunderbolt cable goes into the, it's a bit stiff, the cable, into the, okay, don't block the camera please. The Thunderbolt cable goes into the goes into the Thunderbolt port. It's the second Thunderbolt port. Okay, so we have two Thunderbolt. Let's zoom out. So here's how it works. All right. So now the FZ2500 is connected via the HDMI cable using a micro HDMI adapter into the Blackmagic Design Ultrastudio Mini Recorder, and via Thunderbolt cable into the MacBook Pro. So now what's next? Next is to get into the software and work our magic. Okay, let me do something first. Let me remove the title. Okay, you're now looking at the, just let me expand OBS. Looking at the OBS software, expand it further to fill up the screen so you won't be distracted by anything else. Okay, for now, please ignore the screen at the top here. Okay, it's like a Inception mirror image. Let me switch over to studio mode. Okay, even worse, right? So bear with it. We are now going to introduce a new source under scene 1. You're watching scene 1 right now, and the new source would be, Okay, it's out of your, you can't see it because this is supposed to be a proper tutorial. Now the new source, I click here and I select video capture device. Okay, video capture device. Click on it. Okay, let me expand back. And I'll get a dialog box saying create new video capture device. Yes, okay. And then what it says here, I have to select the device. Now, as you can see, I've Blackmagic, FaceTime, Blackmagic. FaceTime is the webcam on the MacBook Pro. And there's two Blackmagic now, as I've shown you. So let's click on the first one. Okay, this is the camera that was shooting us just now, so not this one. Let's click on the second one. Okay, nothing is seen. Nothing. Alright, let's set the resolution. Let's set the frames per second, frame rate. Okay, still nothing. Now let me go into the camera and check the settings. Look for HDMI settings. Okay, record mode. So I should be in record mode. Okay, let's say okay. Nothing happens. Let's do one more time. Let me check the settings. You know, sometimes I should do a test first before I go live. But because I want to do it so that I can have a record. But then people are watching. Okay. So, but usually nobody watches, which means I can delete later on. Yeah, I know you can hear me. I'm talking while I'm setting the camera. I'll show you the camera setting later on. All right. Okay. Let's okay, it says TV output in progress. All right. Let's unplug. more time. Let me switch. Right. I know what's going on now. I need into Blackmagic setup. Okay, I need to go into Blackmagic desktop setup. Let's connect back the camera. Remember, it's not automatic. Whenever you connect a new Blackmagic device, you have to go into the Blackmagic desktop video setup. Okay, the software. Okay, this one comes with the Blackmagic device. Okay, in a flash, in a USB, in a what I call it, USB card, SD card. So let me see. There you go. I have two Ultrastudio connected. The first one is HDMI. The second one, now the problem is you don't know which is which. Second one is also HDMI. Okay, which is okay actually. I50, this is the old one. This is the new one. What if I switch it off? Okay, and change configuration. Okay, no. So it's already set up. It's already set up. Okay, minimize this, and now we go into video capture. Okay, that's the first camera. This is the second camera. Okay, if I were to switch cameras, let's try. If I were to switch cameras, what will happen?